Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What programming languages are supported for writing AWS Glue ETL scripts? Python and Scala. JavaScript and PHP. Java and C#. C++ and Ruby. The correct answer is Python and Scala. AWS Glue supports Python and Scala for writing ETL scripts, allowing users to leverage familiar programming languages for data processing tasks. What is the purpose of a trigger in AWS Glue? To monitor network traffic. To store data. To schedule the execution of jobs. To encrypt data. The correct answer is to schedule the execution of jobs. In AWS Glue, a trigger is used to schedule the execution of jobs based on specified criteria or events. What AWS service can be used for serverless data warehousing with AWS Glue? Amazon RDS. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon S3. Amazon Redshift Spectrum. The correct answer is Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Amazon Redshift Spectrum can be used for serverless data warehousing with AWS Glue, allowing users to run queries directly against data stored in Amazon S3 without the need to load it into Redshift first. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Glue over traditional ETL tools? Faster data processing speeds. Lower data storage costs. Scalability and flexibility. Enhanced network security. The correct answer is scalability and flexibility. The primary benefit of using AWS Glue over traditional ETL tools is its scalability and flexibility, as it can automatically scale resources based on workload and supports a variety of data processing tasks. How does AWS Glue enable data transformation? By enforcing access controls. By providing built-in transformation functions. By encrypting data during transfer. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by providing built-in transformation functions. AWS Glue enables data transformation by providing built-in transformation functions and libraries, allowing users to easily perform common data transformation tasks without writing custom code. How does AWS Glue handle data quality issues? By providing built-in data quality checks. By ignoring data quality issues. By enforcing strict access controls. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by providing built-in data quality checks. AWS Glue handles data quality issues by providing built-in data quality checks that help identify and address common data quality issues during the ETL process. What AWS service can be used for data storage in conjunction with AWS Glue? Amazon RDS. Amazon S3. Amazon Redshift. Amazon DynamoDB. The correct answer is Amazon S3. AWS Glue can be used with Amazon S3 for data storage, providing scalable and durable storage for data ingested and processed by Glue ETL jobs. What is the purpose of a data lake in conjunction with AWS Glue? To compress data for storage. To store and analyze large volumes of raw data. To encrypt data. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to store and analyze large volumes of raw data. In conjunction with AWS Glue, a data lake is used to store and analyze large volumes of raw data from different sources, providing a centralized repository for data exploration and analytics. What is the purpose of a development endpoint in AWS Glue? To encrypt data. To monitor network traffic. To interactively develop and test ETL scripts. To store data. The correct answer is to interactively develop and test ETL scripts. In AWS Glue, a development endpoint provides an environment for interactively developing and testing ETL scripts before deploying them to production. What is the purpose of a data catalog in AWS Glue? To compress data for storage. To encrypt data. To store metadata and schema information. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to store metadata and schema information. In AWS Glue, a data catalog is used to store metadata and schema information about data assets, providing a centralized repository for data discovery and analysis. How does AWS Glue support data deduplication? By identifying and removing duplicate records. By enforcing access controls. By encrypting data during transfer. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by identifying and removing duplicate records. AWS Glue supports data deduplication by identifying and removing duplicate records during the data processing and transformation process, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. How does AWS Glue handle complex data transformations? By encrypting data at rest. By supporting custom scripts and libraries. By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by supporting custom scripts and libraries. AWS Glue handles complex data transformations by allowing users to write custom scripts and use libraries for advanced data processing tasks, providing flexibility and extensibility. How does AWS Glue enable data integration? By encrypting data during transfer. By enforcing access controls. By providing connectors to various data sources and targets. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by providing connectors to various data sources and targets. AWS Glue enables data integration by providing connectors to various data sources and targets, allowing users to easily ingest, process, and load data from diverse sources. What AWS service can be used with AWS Glue for data warehousing? Amazon S3. Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon RDS. Amazon Redshift. The correct answer is Amazon Redshift. AWS Glue can be integrated with Amazon Redshift for data warehousing, allowing users to perform ETL tasks and load data into Redshift for analytics purposes. How does AWS Glue handle data partitioning? By encrypting data at rest. By enforcing access controls. By partitioning data based on specified criteria. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by partitioning data based on specified criteria. AWS Glue handles data partitioning by allowing users to partition data based on specified criteria, such as date or category, which improves query performance and data retrieval efficiency. How does AWS Glue support data cataloging? By encrypting data at rest. By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. By automatically cataloging metadata from data sources. The correct answer is by automatically cataloging metadata from data sources. AWS Glue supports data cataloging by automatically cataloging metadata from various data sources, providing a unified view of data assets for analysis and discovery. What is the purpose of a connection in AWS Glue? To encrypt data. To define the connection details to data sources and targets. To monitor network traffic. To store data. The correct answer is to define the connection details to data sources and targets. In AWS Glue, a connection is used to define the connection details, such as endpoints and authentication credentials, to data sources and targets for ETL jobs. What is a crawler in AWS Glue? A machine learning algorithm. A type of virtual machine. A component used to automatically discover data and schema from various sources. A network security tool. The correct answer is a component used to automatically discover data and schema from various sources. In AWS Glue, a crawler is a component that automatically scans and discovers data and schema from various sources, enabling easy ingestion and processing of data. How does AWS Glue handle schema evolution? By ignoring schema changes. By automatically updating the schema based on changes in the data. By terminating the job. By requiring manual intervention for schema changes. The correct answer is by automatically updating the schema based on changes in the data. AWS Glue automatically handles schema evolution by updating the schema based on changes in the data, ensuring data consistency and compatibility over time. What is the primary function of AWS Glue? Content delivery network. Virtual machine management. Email management. Data integration and transformation. The correct answer is data integration and transformation. AWS Glue primarily facilitates data integration and transformation tasks, enabling users to prepare data for analytics and machine learning. How does AWS Glue handle data lineage? By providing visibility into the source and transformation history of data. By enforcing strict access controls. By ignoring data lineage. By compressing data for storage. The correct answer is by providing visibility into the source and transformation history of data. AWS Glue handles data lineage by providing visibility into the source and transformation history of data, enabling users to understand how data has been processed and transformed. What is the purpose of a schema in AWS Glue? To encrypt data. To define the structure of the data. To store data. To monitor network traffic. The correct answer is to define the structure of the data. In AWS Glue, a schema is used to define the structure of the data, including column names, data types, and constraints, which helps in data processing and transformation tasks. What type of data can AWS Glue process? Only unstructured data. Only structured data. Only semi-structured data. Structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. The correct answer is structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. AWS Glue can process a variety of data types, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, making it versatile for different data processing needs. How does AWS Glue enable serverless data processing? By enforcing access controls. By compressing data for storage. By encrypting data at rest. By automatically provisioning and scaling resources. The correct answer is by automatically provisioning and scaling resources. AWS Glue enables serverless data processing by automatically provisioning and scaling resources based on the workload, eliminating the need for manual infrastructure management. What AWS service can be integrated with AWS Glue for real-time data streaming? Amazon Redshift, Amazon RDS, Amazon Kinesis, Amazon DynamoDB. The correct answer is Amazon Kinesis. AWS Glue can be integrated with Amazon Kinesis for real-time data streaming, allowing users to process and analyze streaming data in real time with Glue ETL jobs. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.